Hello everyone, today we are going to teach you to cook this Chinese dish called stir-fried eggs and tomato. This dish is very common and popular in every Chinese household. The cooking procedure is pretty simple. It is a very basic dish for a new starter who is interested to learn how to cook Chinese food. It tastes a bit sweet and sour in salty flavor. It is a delicious main dish usually accompanied with rice and noodle. If you like our videos, please leave comments below, like us, subscribe our channel if you haven't done so, and turn on the bell for notification, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you, bye!